Can raw sweet potatoes be stored in the fridge?
Hello there. Today, we're going to discuss an interesting question that many sweet potato lovers find themselves pondering. Can raw sweet potatoes be stored in the fridge? This is a topic that might seem simple, but actually has quite a bit of nuance to it.
What happens if you store raw sweet potatoes in the fridge?
You might be surprised to learn that storing raw sweet potatoes in the fridge is not recommended. The cold temperature of a refrigerator, usually between 35 to 38 degrees Fahrenheit, 2-3 degrees Celsius, is actually too cold for sweet potatoes. This chilly environment can result in something called hard core condition, where the core of the sweet potato remains hard and uncooked even after cooking. It can also lead to an off taste, impacting the sweetness we all love about these tubers.
What is the ideal storage for sweet potatoes?
So where should you store your sweet potatoes? Sweet potatoes prefer a cool, dark, and well-ventilated place. Ideal storage temperatures are actually between 55 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit, 13-15 degrees Celsius. A basement, pantry, or cellar often provides these conditions. If these options are not available, you can store them in a dark, cool kitchen cabinet. Importantly, they should be stored loose, not in a plastic bag, as the bag can trap moisture and accelerate spoilage.
How long can sweet potatoes last?
When stored properly, sweet potatoes can last about a month. If you notice any signs of spoilage, such as a sour smell, a mushy texture, or mold growth, it's time to throw them out. Always remember the golden rule: when in doubt, throw it out. In conclusion, while it might seem counterintuitive, your refrigerator is not the best home for your raw sweet potatoes. Instead, a cool, dark, and well-ventilated place is ideal. By following these storage guidelines, you can keep your sweet potatoes in prime condition and enjoy their delightful sweetness at your leisure. We hope this video has been helpful and cleared up any misconceptions. Until next time, happy cooking!